Sorry for interruption. Okay, this is the part considered as part 4. Diba? Yung video lectures ko sa Screen 4. Dahil may distraction dito sa baba eh. Kanina eh. Kala ko mag-confirm na eh. Di pa pala. Dito naman, an acceptance that relation is a process, not a product. Sabi dito, it's a vital, ongoing, and constantly changing. It requires mutual respect and mutual exchange and cannot compartmentalize if it is too effective. Ano-ano nga ba yung mga police relations? Sinabi natin police relations, reviving the ideas, the people's police. It's a basic notion on which modern urban police department were founded. Need for police service must be determined on the basis of ongoing communication between the people and the police. Diba? Kailangan magkaroon ng direct communication or interdependency ng ang police at isang community. Nang sa gayon ay mas mabilis nilang magawa ang mga operations ng mas madali. Diba? May cooperations. A more reason per word. Ito Dito na pala tayo sa type of police community. Types of police community relations. Dito na tayo. Types of police community relations. Kumahanap eh. Public information program. It is designed to bridge any communication gap between the police and the public. Ito yung mga ways para magkaroon ng communication between sa police and the public. Kumbaga nagbibigay yung ng impormasyon ng police. Public relation program. It is designed to maintain harmony and mutual support between the police and the community. Diba? Yung program na to, diba, para to sa harmony ng police at ng community, diba? Civic action program. It is designed to maintain and encourage community development, diba? Dito naman, tinuturuan ng bawat isa na magkaroon ng pagkakaisa, 'di ba? Para mas ma-develop yung community. Psychological program, it is designed condition both friendly and hostile public, thereby ensuring facilitating the attainment of police objective. Dito naman, 'di ba? Inaayos yung psychological state ng mga kapulisan. Sa gayon, magkaroon talaga sila ng magandang, may friendly sila, di ba? Mas madali nilang ma-attain yung police objectives. Police information and education are communication activities utilizing the various forms of media geared toward creating consciousness and awareness among target audience on facts, issues vital to the development of efficient, respected, and supported. Diba? Communication activities utilizing for various forms of media geared towards creating consciousness and awareness among target audience. At ano-ano ang mga two major components ng information, community information. Ito yung mga activities utilizing the various forms of media directed towards the public at large, designed to increase their consciousness and knowledge of facts and issues for the purpose of enhancing law enforcement, counter-insurgency and crime prevention efforts, increasing crime solution efficiency to include weaken of the will of the criminal elements and insurgents and enlightenment other groups and of individual critical to the government in general and the police organization in particular. Ibig sabihin, itong community information, ang hadikain nito ay magbigay ng impormasyon sa mga community para magkaroon sila ng kaalaman, diba? Sa facts and issues, diba? Para ma-enhance yung law enforcement, diba? Ma-counter nila yung mga insurgencies or yung mga yung mga mananakop yan, diba? Crime prevention efforts yan, diba? Para through pamphlets, diba? Na halimbawa, crime prevention yan, may deterrence, diba? Through information, nagkakaroon ng deterrence, may nahuli sila. Next naman, sa institutional information, our activities utilizing the various forms of media directed towards the public at large is aimed to generate trust, confidence, and popular support for the PNP or simply enhancing public perception and knowledge about the PNP as an institution of the government. Ibig sabihin naman dito sa institutional information, ito yung activities na ginagamit ng media, di ba? Para mag-gain yung trust ng confidence, generate trust and confidence ng isang community, para magkaroon ng popular support para sa PNP, di ba? Para magkaroon ng public enhancing and perception about sa knowledge, about sa perception and knowledge tungkol sa PNP. Yan. Pampaganda, kumbaga pampaganda ng pangalan ng PNP. Number 2, the police community affairs. Pag sinabi natin police community affairs, are activities outside law enforcement but which necessitates PNP support and or participation. The end result of which ultimately contribute to better appreciation and enhanced support to the PNP in whole part of the populace. Pag sinabi natin police community affairs, ito yung mga activities outside law enforcement pero kinakailangan, di ba, ng support at participation para magkaroon ng better appreciation at ma-enhance yung support sa PNP, di ba, mula sa community. Okay, meron tayong 3 major subcomponents dito. Community assistance and development. Ibig sabihin dito, ito yung mga activities outside the field of the law enforcement undertaking upon the initiative of PNP unit of personnel for the purpose of enhancing life as a means of drawing the support, appreciation, and support for the public towards PNP. Yung PNP may ginagawa din, di ba? O ito, skills, livelihood, cooperation, development, sports, and socio-cultural development, medical, dental outreach services, tree planting. Saludo po ako sa mga kapulisan na isa po sa mga nakikiisa para mapatupad yung mga ganyang assistance and development nila. Community interrelations are activities outside the field of law enforcement and undertaking upon the initiative of other government agencies, non-governmental organization, and or individual citizen, whereby a PNP unit or personnel actively contributes time, money, and or service as a means of drawing the support, appreciation, and cooperation of the public towards the PNP in whole, in part. Kumbaga dito yung mga community nagko-contribute din sila ng time, money, and service as a means of drawing support and appreciation and cooperation of the public towards sa PNP in whole part. Diba? Nakaka-proud naman po yung mga tumutulong na tao, diba? Sa mga community natin para mas lalong mapaunlad ang organisasyon o trabaho ng mga kapulisan. Pangatlo, community organization or mobilization are activities revolving around the accreditation of existing groups or creation of new ones with the end of view of having allies with various sectors the community would tap to assist the conduct of law services, community works, and the like. Ito naman, tumutulong naman ng mga community, diba, para ma-assist, diba, the conduct of law services, community works, and the like. Public information and propaganda operation are internal security. Pag sinabi natin our internal security, they shall be intensified information on evils of the ideology and actual terrorist operation through regular issuance of press release. The editors or columnists enhance utilization of three media to write and print and broadcast. Kumbaga ito, in relation na to sa mismong organization, inside the organization na to. On crime prevention and law enforcement, there shall be sustained information drive on how the public can reach public assistance and the utilization of three media of modus operandi, safety, and the likes. Dito naman, ang mga law enforcement natin o kapulisan natin ay gumagawa ng mga hakbang para ma-prevent ang mga crime. Through mass media, di ba? Inaalam, sinasabi nila yung mga modus operandi ng mga kriminal na sa gayon makaiwas yung mga future victims, di ba? Mga possible future victims. Okay, dito naman tayo sa public relations. It is a program designed to make the public aware of what the agency is doing, why it is doing, and how it contributes to the welfare of the community. Ito naman yung program na to, di ba? Pinapaalam ng kapulisan na maging aware yung publiko, di ba? Kung ano yung ginagawa ng agency. At bakit nila ito ginagawa at kung maaaring makontribute nito sa kapakanan ng community. Halimbawa, yung drug campaign, yan. Nagkakaroon sila ng activities or programs na kontra droga, di ba? Ano ba yung purpose nun? Ng pagkakaroon ng kadar na kontra droga? Ayun, maiwasan yung droga sa isang community. Maging aware yung mga tao sa kung ano ba ang epekto ng droga, di ba? Kung ano ba ang kakayanan gawin nito, di ba? Manira ng buhay ng tao. Droga sa isip, di ba? At ang welfare nun sa community, ayun, maging knowledge ng paggamit ng droga ay mali pala talaga. Na ito ay may negative impact sa health natin at sa mental health natin. Diba? Hindi tayo makapag-function ng maayos, hindi tayo makapagtrabaho ng maayos. Ayun yung mga result niyan. Ano naman ang types of public relations? Public Awareness Program. What do we say pag sinabing Public Awareness Program? Familiarizing the public with the nature and the true nature of police operations. Dito naman, pinapaalam ng police, di ba, kung ano nga ba talaga ang mission nila, kung ano nga ba yung operation nila na gagawin, ano ba yung mga hakbang nila na gagawin para gawin yung isang operations. Halimbawa, may raid, di ba? Kailangan ba pumasok agad? Di ba dapat muna i-clear yung paligid kung baka may madamay na civilian? Oh, ayan. Ano pa? O, sabi dito, familiarizing the public with the nature and true nature of police operation. Ayan, sa checkpoint, di ba? Di mo na kailangan Di mo na kailangan tanungin kung ano kailangan ng pulis pag pinahinto ka. Diba? Sa gitna ng kalsada, habang nag-drive ka, syempre papakita mo na lisensya mo, ORCR. Diba? Dapat aware na tayo dun. Nakasuot tayo ng helmet, yan. May plaka tayo. Diba? Maayos yung preno natin. Yun dapat. Informational program. Pag sinabi naman informational program, it is the providing the public with information which is directly related to the interests and needs of the community. Diba? Informational programs. So, halimbawa, Uso ang akit bahay. Nakaw naman to. 'Di ba? Interest. Para sa interest at kailangan ng community 'yon na malaman nila yung modus na 'yon. Ano ang hakbang para naman makaiwas sila, 'di ba? Sa pamamagitan ng paglak ng bahay, 'di ba? Pagkandado ng bahay. Ayan. Huwag basta-basta magbubukas pag kung sino man ang kumakatok sa gabi, 'di ba? Ano pa ba? Lahat nakalak, nakakandado, 'di ba? Mga ano natin, mga security natin, security barriers natin. Diba? Malaking impact din talaga na malaking bagay din talaga na may informational programs tayo na kung saan makakatulong yun para ma-prevent yung future crimes at wala ding mabiktima. O ano pa? O, halimbawa, during crisis, pinapaalam na ng gobyerno na magtataas ang gas. O, yan. As an individual, kailangan natin bumili. Kailangan natin magkumpuni. Kailangan natin umaksyon para hindi tayo maipit. Diba? Sa panahon ng tagmahal talaga yung gas. Na kung saan din na natin na ma-afford. Which is considered as our interest. Diba? Kailangan ng community. Dito naman sa image building programs. Pag sinabing image building programs, pinopromote daw dito yung programs, di ba? Which are designated to create more favorable public image of the police. Dito naman pinapaalam kung ano nga ba ang kapulisan, di ba? Kung paano nga ba mas magiging maganda sa mata ang pulis mula sa community, di ba? Paano ba ang ginagawa yun? Ayan, meron silang operation na kung saan naglilinis ng kapulisan, nagbabantay sa schools, yan, yung mga may possible na mangyari na namang patayan, di ba? Pinapakita nila na they are accountable, they are upholding their oath na magsilbi, di ba? Sa bayan. Ano pa ba? O, sa tulad niyan, yung sa compassion ng pulis, di ba? Yung nabalitaan yung pulis na binigyan niya ng pambiling gatas at diaper yung nagnakaw sa sari-sari store ng gatas at diaper. Ayun, di ba? It shows compassion. It shows na ang pulis ay may magandang imahe pa rin, no? May mga magagandang traits pa rin ng pulis na kung saan mabibuild, na kung saan yung action ng pulis na yun ay maging isang halimbawa, di ba? Para mababango, di ba? Maging maganda sa mata, sa tenga, kung ano man ang ginagawa ng kapulisan natin ngayon.